Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this truly fun summer or spring wreath bow. So let's get started. For this spring summer bow, what I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra Bow Wire and just fold it in half. And I want to make it long enough so that I could actually tie this on a wreath if I wanted to. Cut that. And then take my Bowdabra bow wire, I'm going to fold it in half and lay this down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then what I'm going to do is take my tails and lay that down in here. And then I have another tail, and I've already dovetailed the ends, so you don't have to watch me dovetail, and lay this down into my Bowdabra. Then what I'm going to do is twist and fold and twist and fold and twist and fold and twist. So we're going to make probably about 6 to 8 loops, and we're going to fold back over here. I tend to think that 8 loops makes a little bit fuller bow, and I sort of like that look. So we'll fold this back over here. So we've got 3 loops on each side. Let's go ahead and we'll come in here and just go down the center. And now we have 4 loops on each side, which I think is perfect. Then I'm going to take my gingham check. We're going to just twist it, bring it back over here and twist. So these are just really pretty lime green colored ribbons that we have in our Bowdabra.com. And for those of you not familiar with Bowdabra, we have a website, Bowdabra.com. We have over a couple thousand how-to tutorials. We put new videos up like this one every single Wednesday. So if you check on YouTube, Facebook, or at our blog, on Wednesdays, you'll see the new videos. And now I'm going to take my polka dot, my lime green, or lime, might be lime apple polka dots. And we're just going to keep folding these in. And all I'm doing is folding and twisting and fold and twist, and we're gonna fold and twist and fold and twist and put one more loop here. And just for good measure, I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and give everything a good push down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to finish this off here with my bumbles and bees, and fold this over here. And I love this for a spring summer ribbon because it's just so pretty with the daisies and the bumblebees. And I believe we have this in red and in yellow, so it's got a lot of assortments. We'll fold this back over. And then for those of you not familiar with Bowdabra, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be updated every time we go live, which we do on Mondays at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. And fold this back, and fold and twist, and fold and twist. And we're just going to fold and twist, and fold and twist, and then I'm just going to make a little loop in the middle, and I can clip off a little piece of this ribbon that I won't need. And now I'm just going to push everything down, a good push. I could use my wand, maybe I probably should use my wand. And when you have a lot of ribbon, the towers sometimes come together, so we're just going to push that down. Now I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring up the end that's my two ends, have them go through the loop, just like you would a slip knot. Pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, Then when I pull it out, I'm not struggling. So it's great if you have arthritis, fibromyalgia, anything where it's hard to hold on to a very thick bow. So now I'll bring this around to the back. And again, I'm going to tie it really tight, which is what's great about our Bowdabra Bow Wire. And if you're interested in purchasing a Bowdabra, you can do it at bowdabra.com or at Amazon or at Hobby Lobby. And then there's several independent resellers that sell Bowdabra as well. So we're going to just pull apart our loops as we shape. So we're just going to pull these here. Pull these around here, bring these around here, and take my other loops here, bring them, and take our bumblebees. And so also, let me know if you're watching where you, if you have a Bowdabra or if you're thinking about getting a Bowdabra, or which Bowdabra you have. Do you have the big one or the mini? But we would love to have you join us on our lives. And on our Monday lives, sometime during the live, we give away either a free roll of ribbon or some Bowdabra bow wire. And we've even given away Bowdabras. So definitely you want to come and watch us live. And here, and we're just going to keep. And now you have this wonderful, let me just fix this up here the way I like it. And you have this wonderful wreath bow that was super simple to make and would look pretty on your door, even in the house on the door. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.